and if you are that December possibility also a juno. It is also see na just say I can't funny be numa na send 24th 25th na just say bring an 1 year mutima mu na mafisia pa and some of the coach you cover my cobata you track hinke or may money akeke se nia e bia wo bia na wie ye ba de dia ba besom mo and some doson na poso any electoral commission in pen for the atuja so mo de empesua ben kunu bia manso gina mu dike MPP for so mo na afa NDC for so mo na afa no omo ekiko mo ne meseni no mahwe akenkan ma ni nyina afoforo no mo aye enema ye na wasa apesua no
and this legal team here was antemantem so dia to jasa sane ne o make cap no afo no aboto mpeso awodo ni nyina no yensanto ne foforo
yedemo ebeko eyemraso egefiem na emraso egefiem ne yatie se emra bi aneke se edi mfie pi wo mraso egefiem ho no no abusiafo se dia brewa yipoma kwamu a wonum kwakwaje sa eye emra no magye atomu anesa
kana photo samfo so wonya hweye na many budget no se wan fa ma obetumi adem
se the forestry commission impeding for so bogana for kokoo se yenya hweye pa opena yewramu sa no wan hweya na edigya hyehye enenam ti se wo fie a na omoni akọ niema pia wo ye ho
Dr. Boris B. Abutia wono so akasa o na wo kyerɛ sɛ nkokɔ ketenkete na yero John Dramani Mahama wapaso de ba no ayane so de hu kase nyina yeta akira ebetumi aboa ye
abzafo we ni afoforo pinua ne yakekese ne ne se kase ababi a wo bia na wiei ye ba ne de aba besomwo ye mfa seda emanyuma ekoi
Express Group de year 2 kwan na 21st clinic nso ahye na wa miami ayase ateka ne nyina mo to ase ama no akɔthewe herbal center yada mo ase a ansada modi ya chia ba pemsa se cloud internet asedane bi enkamo anya no nko akra abusua express ene won mom keka ka ho yada mo nyina mo aseda mo asemizo ana 5G so aseda enka oye papa nyuma hwowei ana won madawro menti dan nyina tena se awpronto baka sebom se ya yada ka sebo mo hwam na gentena ha baba somo asomfo benu na fie ya tena se ayeme akosu ya aje wakode boaten mene
nana ya bo amalibi aboga abzafo insemni ni yen hyase mfemfiri electoral commission impeding for atena ye na eyemo mosam se ye koto abawie ye ye ompesua ben kono bi wo no mu a manso a ejirem enye asem keto bi sine ye nim eye wo mu a adehye no eto abayi wo mo pa so mo enkosu wo manamu amrasbe gefiem NPP ni NDC amanyoko ni nyina kire se omo adinkunim wo empesua no so mbeka hye ne so a electoral commission impeding for yen siseye senke mano mo kwa kenka ne foforo ewa posifo atena ya ewo enkrapompone mantem wiase na nkese no soso no akwa mentem wase ede eba enam so ma eni electoral commission impeding for dia babetu wono se empesua ben krono no a manso egiregirem ete se ensawoma do gira abato mpesua so okai kwe central abato mpesua so afa no south west abato mpesua so afa no north no oboase east ene empesua akanyina no omo egusu akeka ne mesi ene na onoma ahwese kan ena oso omo kenka ne mafoforo a omo ebekenka ne mafoforo no omo ahwese bibia bekototia enkobase bia obi ena ede eye menka ne se kikrisam ebekwa akoje eye ababi atombeka hye ne so a yeto abawie ye ensem na akwa bebrebe electoral commission akrachefo a omo efa wonum no ebinum echese kwan a empanifo binum yire wonum ma chenchene a omo ede mano ebi emama wo mu no omo efi se entwe ye ukọ eyetema opani a electoral commission okogina omo na mu kire se edu baby kra no mo de sekan ne ma ene gina no se chenchene a won kase NDC fo ena ewe okọ boase isusu a ense be firi wono mo eba enye de ena ma me jena do ko mensa electoral commission penimpa echese mpesu ankro no a manso ewo so no ombe hwese omde mrabe ye adwuma no de adehye no eto abama no omo ede ni dibre amana sense obi ede ntokwanom ene basabasa ye bekwa akoje emane bi se chenchenchina wono ene ede nkonim
determined to complete the self-collation processes in the 9 constituencies on that Friday, the 13th of December. It could not do so without the assurance of the police. In the absence of that, the collation process planned for that Friday was called off in the evening, as mentioned earlier. The Commission is of the view that had the process been allowed to continue, we would have successfully concluded the collation processes and declared the outcomes of the election by now. In the light of that development, and as a result of putting the collation process on schedule for that Friday on hold, the Commission once again met with the Ghana Police Service on Monday, the 16th of December 2024, to agree on a new date. At the meeting, the Commission proposed Wednesday, the 18th of December 2024. At that meeting, the police indicated that they could no longer provide the Tessanum Police Depot as a location for the collation process. It was agreed that new locations in Accra and Kumasi would be designated for the police for the collation process. The actual locations and time were communicated to the police on Tuesday, the 17th of December. The police assured the Commission of its full cooperation and readiness to enable us complete the collation processes. However,
Abzanfonti we ayema meje na dokwe mensa wono na edo my Ghana yabato komesana no nabusia wamana nso a eno ache soso no wode adesreto mampani na nado dankwa kufu ado wachema PC be mapo adanim emebi eso mampani a yato aba yine fufura sisi wati apatamu etwenso odonfo be yadom na January bosome na de toso nso aba betu yasomdwemu na ejanum pitutwenum piso we de teta we de so na yenti atinka boni bia no akwakusoye de mampeni da John Dramani maamenim so obesre wonu mada baby ayaba bedru no omo nyina nkamom na omo emwa wonu mu bambom se aposifo ne asojafo beba bedum wonum na mpesua nkunu ya yeka ho asemi womo atima ogire ban aboba giba ma wonum na amomo timia kenkan amantiase ayadwuma ma mejen mensa desra wore to mampeni akufu ado ene joma manim eni.
I don't believe that as a country, this is where we should want to go. What it implies is that anyone who has force or might can take over a collation process and declare himself or herself as a member of parliament or a president. As a country, we should not go down that slippery slope. We therefore use this occasion to humbly call on the President of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, as well as our President-elect, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, to intervene in this matter so as to ensure that the Commission is provided with the necessary security and protection to carry out its functions. We also call on the National Election Security Task Force to work together to put in place arrangements to ensure that our staff and our processes are protected and secured in a way that will ensure that the true outcomes of our
Abzanfonti we ayema mejin mensa wono ene do my Ghana yabato komisa ni nyina no eno de sade sere we eto mampani na nado dankwa kufu ado anim
na ampeso wodo ya ebuso da akan wasam ne yetwe wo da wora se ne be ye na electoral commission abetumanya adaje ane abotoya mu abobo no ahafo no north ane ahafo no south west abato ampeso so anso aka hu bia bepem na ne yehu nipa ko potia wode nkonim e wo honom aka ho bi ama NDC legal team ye wo santema ntemo panyipa ya wo ka ho bi lawyer Evans amankwa anso aka se kyerese twema mentwe wa makorabo ejesa ne be no bia bata ne wase yan wo ka se MPP na de nkonim ana NDC na de nkonim wonti no abane yan santo foforo kora e wo sampeso awodo ya wo ka wase mise ne be ye na wo bibia da koma betumi ato ne yem sanse tapade ne kora duru se electoral commission na msini no wobaba bobo am yehunu ni pension tinase yehunu ba bia enioma keka ko ebi mu se NPP fo akora ba kofa wonu ma tete no wonu ma se na ne de kaka ho na nso nti oba se electoral commission so omo yanto aba no foforo biem se ne ba yi a embotoye mo ebetumi aba.
EC even could not declare the presidential elections, and it was part of the constituencies that was not declared. And today the EC is saying that they don't have the pink sheets of TEPA because they were vandalized by thugs. So if you don't have any pink sheet, all that we are calling for is a rerun of that elections. It's as simple as that. So that when you go for a rerun and you think you won, it will repeat itself. Nothing will change. Mankraso is unfortunate. You see, do you know why I said it's unfortunate? Because Mankraso, the presidential was collated and declared. And John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, won that decisively. When we were about to collect the parliamentary, that was when the chaos came in. So we are saying that if the EC does not have the pink sheets as they are claiming, there should be a rerun of the parliamentary. If George does not work, then we take the legal action.
I was your lawyer Evans Amankwano, no a member Adema and this legal team. I was Santemantemu.
Observe for your free about to comments and nay, and this Yamanjuku not any informal commerce with him. Na Sabay no my Ghana, Yasi and Yasi so, you bet me Ajiba, Bobaya, Yere Bambum, El Honomuntino, Sienamo Case, Ghana Rasviga Fona Kakoya Mamreni Mania, one of my Aquaco J. Emratumwa, if I say Ghana Boundary Commission Bill 2023 if we sabre kwe eba beboa mampanimfo etima je ban ato ban ewo yahye ne yahye so se beye na impofiri mu no nipa bonfo bi ntimi mefiri yawrawa omo eba bedi ye bone yen komra se be gefiem emra na mra se gafo no edi nkoma wo so mu die bia chese de wo so mu ye bia o ma ye wi a na omo eje samra no atomu no yen komra se be gefiem yen kowese ne enema esi ekroye
Ghana Boundary Commission Bill 2024 be deemed to have been taken through the second reading and the consideration stage of the bill. Those in favor say aye. Those against say no. Honorable members, the ayes have it. The Ghana Boundary Commission Bill 2024 is deemed to have been taken through the second reading and the consideration stage of the bill.
Speaker, I move that the Ghana Boundary Commission Bill 2024. So let's correct the rendition as captured on page 13 of today's order paper is Ghana Boundary Commission Bill 2024. I move that the Ghana Boundary Commission Bill 2024 be now read a third time. That's all.
Right, Honorable Speaker, second the motion.
Moved and seconded is for the consideration of the House. And so I'll put the question. Those in favor that the bill be taken through the third reading, say aye. Those against say no. Honorable members, the ayes have it. The Ghana Boundary Commission Bill 2024, not what is on the order paper, not 2023, 2024, have been taken through the third reading and passed.
Observe to way a dear course or Mrasvig, see memra, na Mrasviga for so medidu among common in area, I check you a moment soon in area, now more edgia to menra, and a now Speaker of Parliament, Mrasvig, him, a chairman, right honorable Alban Kensos Mana Babin, a day and Samutuja, a honorable H. Mensa Bunsu, so Mrasvigani, Afwaso, ama a yeninia honorable Francis Menua Dabo Sosono, a DB a piece or Nasabre or Majesam Rana Tumuno, Penny Quanche for da a Ghana Boundary Commissioner no Major General Emmanuel Akwetia de Kotia edituja se entutuye bia ya woso mo ye masamra we wo mo ebam chichima manfoti ase ema eye adwuma soso ebam mayi ye bambo wo ye hye so esipisi no wona mo ebe ne ne kire ya
a better position to identify our land maritime boundaries and to some extent our airspace boundaries. So that is key so far as our work is concerned. Once we're able to identify this, there will not be disputes. Once we're able to identify this, the security agencies responsible for the territorial integrity or ensuring that we don't have these security threats would also be very confident and they know where the boundaries are and should be able to undertake this confidently.
Observe to way a penny chair for the Ghana Boundary Commissioner no Major General Emmanuel Kutia and yetene kan ni nyina yemra na je so majemra na tuma wie na no ne nsamtwefo ebutu mai kakra e wo mra no ho
na adio ba ko enu so bokoto dwempa ya dom kuma ya wo mra shebe fie ho ani mu sano ne kyan ya daba ba dam shebe fie na asofo a oho ma Ghana sika senso aba kenka ya mini budget ya eno a twetwere ba ho na ye ga se no so mra shebe fie won mo twene sra ne abasa sansa wo mo hu no ma Ghana photo san for Dr. Mohammed Amin Adam anamoto sronko a obeso otu na wore fa sa many budget ya ye Rajon Dramani Mahama edbedi juma no ehu eno na aka wo bi ama Rama Shebo Jafie no dom kuma no ba no dani Dr. Kesa to Forsen watu projade ya ma na kire se hwe Dr. Mohammed Amin Adam won peno to mpeno no a wo mra no mekenkan won fa no mama to dwa no hunu sika botene pa ye omde bedi juma 2025 ebra ye Rajon Dramani Mahama ba betena konya so na aswore no kokochi sana ba na teso nyansore ntidi openo obetuma ya dia ana no won ka hunu se nyame ya dom aka to ne bro na ban asore so wonya sore ya apeno obekwa akodem
for January to March 2025 the speaker can be laid by any member on behalf of the minister responsible for finance. The speaker, copies are before us. I have a copy. The speaker, I'm sure you also have a copy. And I think this is not the presentation itself. It's laying of papers. The speaker, there are occasions or instances that papers have been laid on behalf of a minister of state. In the same vein, we have a minister for tourism before us. The speaker, he is the available leader, and it's a minister for tourism, a cabinet minister. The speaker, I urge him to lay it on behalf of the minister responsible for finance. But if you don't want to do it, I can do it on your behalf. The speaker, I also want to convey to the minister and His Excellency the President that the Constitution places an obligation on the President to present to this House before the year ends expenditure in advance of appropriation for the first 3 months of the year 2025. And this is Article 80. The Speaker, aside that, the PFM Act, the Public Financial Management Act, places a responsibility on the Finance Minister to act on behalf of the President.
I was aware Dr. Kesa to Forsen Senania Bedenua. Washasia to be man so for sure my Ghana sika sem so on parental tom panonua. Many budget in any yada on Famatuja.
Observe for Fay and Fabon Film as we give you na yen for more and cosen you such a yes, 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 I wissy from money my wissy. Ni no no papai. Ni susuna jawamoa, or more ready at tantante, na you whistle tantantine. And ye dear fine ya, you bet me ye and so home, or more ready and your fee. Then be your much long sleeves are sha, and it was a say, ya dear fee, cause you are bassa. And so come if it's open hair or power young was it day ya go present with the boy and this room come or more so monetary papa and yo nyasam ketwa I was say I change enough for no more ya no monetary papa na the yema ye and a forestry commission in pen for a bogana for coco say if yemuno ekoko ye say ya and need jashe and nam and dear Bob I also sonia quaco di bronya ya and may in cheche way mokwa chichi ni fie ya bestre mwada say a jano so kakra no monia ko home na so sense oguso a wa sense oguso adum no and am gas no so a mode kwako di dwuma ofie no na momomoni akọ pa ma me Joyce ofuri kwafo a wono ene hwani amansa di nkomo ama Ghana Forestry Commission and ojina mpanimfo anamo ade safutu we ma Ghana man
say opena badendende say openi basa na mframanu mu awo if say moisture bi anim enti wo kokwayi mu a baby a yerese na edu sabri a na oja hurehuru etumi tiusi yenga kwai mu ye ka se oja hurehuru nga den na ede ba won a wo ye ha won a wo twabe won a wo yiwo won a wo ekisibonom ne ade nkono won a wo hye won afu wo do na wo hye ni nyina ye niama etumi di oja hyehyew eba na ebe hye yenga kwai no na forestry commission ansa na ebeba ojashisho brini bedu ho no pono na ye de nhihye bebre egu akwan mu na nsan mu ho ye kwoteto fire volunteers be ye aha wotwe ne achi ewo atifi mantem a won no wo mia communities a ye kire on okwan a wo fa so a wo bo oja ho ban na mpo no so oja ne ba okwan gben no wo ba fa so na won adum na won atumi akon ye de niam bebre so egu akwan ma ye koso ne communities a wotete akwan na no ekasa se na be ya wo behwe won ho efi se won na wote kwan na no adwumayefo ne de adesa ye koyen afim
Observant way I am a Joyce of Recofon yet and Canana Wamanansu and Witches no what the source say Sabre so a penwa bano moi afe na moka kodo na mapambo na masie na mayemofu no oso so no di jakoto afuonum na se wampem pama no netre ekokoso eye kwaye bi ma na se ekoto bi ajapade mu a wato mra kese pa no mo che o mantamo edu ko gina mra na no a emra ene obedi manyame ampata dakra wo ho no mu a obetima dem nsie bebrebe enam saade na waye ne ntomutu ye na na akuafo no fo ene mo soso omanum ya modenu a moko ahayo bebrebe no a modi janamo no se mo soso munya hweyi pa ija no se ehu se wona ade ba ya ene obedem sisia
o show odi oja to kwaim ana obi afu emra wo ho a eni wondi enti se emra ne nsa so mu a oni obedi ne dwondwon no enu nti na sese ye hwe ye nwu yiye na merebo omanfo kokko se obi hwe na emra no ankoso ni mu emra ne so ni mu a eni ni bedi
Observant way ayama me Joyce ofuri kwafo wono ene hwene amansa di nkomo ema forestry commission adwuma no
abuso ye konsan foforo na oba my Ghana ha anyumakwa kase ba senumu a wono ye poultry farm hodwuma awo my Ghana mo wontumi nka wa bra ba yi Boris B company limited ade afrimu da biarada ayadwumakwa kase ba ko ya wo mo ye nkokọ na woton bie awo my Ghana emu na no papa nye kwantrofo a Boris B group of companies wadano Dr. Boris Bedu ono so baba wo ye wade ache bia dwumadi so na woba yo no na se ene afihia na no waba behia enti wade afihia pansam abra Ghana man ade afutuo atato ano na panyepa kire se nokre wo se Ghana fo nyina sasa ankokon ketenkete no a ye John Dramani Mahama ye nei woba bede nkonim sa mampanyini no wade aba no yade ebeboa yie papa na nani so ade hunu na nhyehyeye no se Ghana fo nyina ya miani akoho na yatumi ahwani yi a anka oman no poultry farm no nke beduru akire ebeduru mra bi kura no ye nkran kokko ne ade amfamfiri nkrofo ama so se ye babare force nkokko osesa ne oman nyina betwam sansa Ghana no ye benya poultry farms akese a wo nyina ba ye nkokko ne enya biahwe ewo ma Ghana emu ebra panyipa wo no oman hene yodubu achechwe nkomo ewade ache bia dwumadi so no sei eno senensem
because the airline no dear we can see a passing starting gradually from somewhere near the back all the measures now at least you receive it me feed you because food security as we all know see at DBS if any year pa see I here the Dutch be do a back na make way na make a say I did the DBS a train will be feed and cook kekesu and kusia say be any drop of PR from school so went to me and university and I went to me and call your masters and I went to me and call share diggy piano at least can be in the pen so be young kuku and yes come and what especially the youth it is a man to me and school mapeu mamie and as we be at two abusia yent me ahwemia etim kuku so ntimi nya akwanya enye bi and send you why see addressing ye na obi biara ehunu
a mindset towards poultry in Ghana. I don't know whether we need to have a orientation. Ebi mo wa adwene bi man.
Obai.
Ana ni ye na din anase ni anase.
Na me bajo. So my me ba venze me pe ebenia. So enel su be ye poultry a. Enti so ku school ku sua ne technical team na sua ni nyina ansa with my poultry. Say be farmers. Me outgrowers. Obu ha was sheer poultry pa. but the mede ba no ene ne ye no otumu se onhye bibi foforo
okay
ntimi me an mema waboa ketwa dey o chick
acha ye friend ko competent
aba go kitikiti
okay
ma ho kitika go kitikiti ma obi answer mama will feed answer mama technical advice and na me no kasi ye chimbuko ye chimbuko zia bina na cast nam kwa so ye kubuko Christmas nkoko nkoko no udi hu mu a wabo say yes sebi ye mema go ho sebi ma omo bazi yufa mo na sempeni foka kra obu ho ana bia ni kunu jai.
I was aware of Panye control for your Boris B group of companies were done or Dr. Boris Beidu.
Abzanfo yemfa mon free sebi mu asem no so na yemfa mon konsem fufrum na empeni kwanche fa oda eye DVL adwuma no wo asante be kwae ena odi afutu koma ya driver fo no se afi no aso abia afina hia bia o adaba fo ne ba beda wonum ye ne 24 ye be koye krom ene ye soso abronya yi ye betutu akwan nom ne ade nyina ye sebre ene ya kwantuo nyina e sha adaba fo no nsa no be sa adaba fo no se sabre soso no wo de se obetwa bi kura no a enje sabre na wo se wo kotwa bi ene ya VC10 alomoni madingoyi na oye mixing club na wo de boasie chese ene wo wia na jese wo basa no na mihwe magusisi a ampani ampa soso no no akwa wo mo agu ento pani Erasmus ba wona ye pani kwanche for da edivia adwuma no e wasante be kwaya no e de afutu to adawafo nanim so obesere wo no mada sabre we kwaso jojojojojojojojojo no mo ntwe mo free nsawie ho no mo fa kontifo nko emeduru asomdwe mu bro nyiyen mu
mesre adawafo de bebre se afi eko awie mebia afi ko awie a ya na adawafo esan se passengers for edoso kwanso ti mebia no omunya abotre se ombetimi akọ abefa dipendent bia na mika emwa ayedi akwanhia eba ti ebesre adawafo se yekọ afi ko awie di ombe ya hweye na ombe drive in such a way say enkofa akwanhia bia ma
Abzanfo nti we ye ayo pani Erasmus ban yete ne nke no eche so de afutu koma abatani ahwefo no se akwala no ani 18 years ya emfa woni usika wo ene cars no do so wo fie ho no mo hwe no ama akwala na empinche ka no mpo ne mpese wa ye na dwene se wo tuka no anasa wo de ka ne suma no se fato ade e de breme e basa otomra emra ene wo batan no ebedi pa ansa na obaso so no emra no atwena so de mu odene we e na futu ma batan no ene awofo ni nyina
ye mesre ewo awofo no se omuma na omanya 18 na omuni licenses no mesre se omuma omu entuka ye do festive season opese otuka ti se oba ebeji licenses ansa na oma etuka na nkoda no so omunya hweye Ghana mra no eno obedi nti mesre bebre se mo beye ahweye ewo saa ne ma no ho me ba be afin
Abzanfo nti we ye ayo pani Erasmus ba en yete ne nken pani kwankyerefo a woda DVL adwuma no ewo asante be kwaya mansini mo na yete no enken
21st clinic ya damu nyina mo aseda mo ase abusua wase wosia teka ya de no ha watete won fenwura fufuro mu wo no kwado nyame mpangu nunti na 21st wo ho no no wase brayi na won hwe sane be ya wona siateka ne nyina mbedi ntitimu afi na afofra kwakwasimu wo no wanya pomde pa woto asentini atwenwo de aba na amromu emu nkomo ne yabo ne sa no kokuma se hwan overseas junction wo mo ben Alpha Radio obo se council quarters Accra Dome Market Union and Kranza Tachiman 0540 311 0540 311 Express Group on Suyadamu Asepa General Rapim December Monia Deniye Canada US UK Holland nyina no nkrofo mama so on watching shubia aseda enkamo na waso obinso a opese okono enkachi December mu ne yawo konokodi bronya wonkrofo amama nso Kumasi asafo labor runabout Accra Kaneshi First Light afa Kumasi Accra Airport runabout one more baby 0249 000448 0249 000448 Cloud internet and so can be anaso wase digital security locks web hosting Wi-Fi CCTV camera may install be from our Nina no cloud the bayon kama pa top high one love FM din shani mo 0202 699110 0202 699110 3 Herbal Center the 3 Cool Capsules aba Unya binare choke wan kwana nkebebo apama Christmas yi watumi adini ye sanse wayam timu kokko no sisi ade no ebetu ase babia ade afri honom kwalena kitani haba mesti epidank 0546 107 0546 107 Mizo ana 5G so no na Christmas ya didio yenyina soe na hotel ya ba na akachi no ya debeto so
expect sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enyasem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkoa womuji bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a womagidi womu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ni hypertension ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Brakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pomden ene na brabo mu ne hianye pa enye brakasa nko nuaban ne haban bi te se ko nsuso a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaban bi nom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye brakasa powder sisi nipadua na ba akwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma ba akọ freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma ba akọ woni suhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya precautions powder to Kingswalk Herbal ni Heroes Herbal Accra OKC Drug Lane Deni Herbal Kumasi Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ni Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Cash and Carry Supermarket Asantoa Herbal ni Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15-14 precautions powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankra to emu agi atum
hey sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu
Kreku afeina mebeko menkrata krani
eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane no wanya otchedi musa no
oh Express Group Adarumenti according to IF4 opese otu kwan kosua dia Express Group do be call mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany say a tour and say visiting so Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo am pese mo tu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafo Labor runabout Accra so Omo Carnation First Light Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. For more how much show for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why?
because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05 444 444 53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Oh, Miss Tantry, also ya titi be benfie now so ni yamun yonoda. Semicho no hudra mata mi unoshia. Ebe ya nwanwa.
Nini ni se, what also time for Hexa capsules, any Hexa mixture, Yanumbom kutia osa nubia mano anum. Ankani wato no dada, osa drodi, any Hexa capsules, any Hexa mixture.
Ninchemu.
Osa yekura, eto yefunu ene ensunumu. Etuma we yefunu ekikawa. Wajire huwa enye. Osa etumi ema we yecheko. Ebra we didi ewie. Somehow eye osa dea. Kope Hexa capsules, any Hexa mixture. Nanum bom na hu ebeto.
Pedudu etua. Ko okanshi drug lane. Kumasi Dani Herbal. Takradi AA Mensa. Anafre 02038228555. Apefo abatanya wama won mofra no fo ene mofra woni mfie dumienu enka ho Hexa capsules ene ne mixture
Asatamfo edi age edwade nkrato yi atom
Afinsiapa Obo Herbal and Medical Research Center say wama nyina afinsiapa Dr. Obo say obronya achede de mo bia achede no ni ompeso obia de yare besa fefoforo na say ne santi every 16 December the 25 December obetimi akọ Herbal and Medical Research Center tena ya ewo Ghana ha ba bia akohwehwe woni paduamu a onye wo kapre me kire say eye free into wasebra no check wakoma o kidney wo liver ne woni padua akwa aka ne mawo so wo hwe na yade omu a obesa ma wo bra wanyu sika kese bia na wase acho 30% kire say untue sika twitwiridie so wo yade bi wo so na wakoa na nkwa for bronya achedi so na ko Dr. Bonchen na wansa yade e ka obebo bia nso obeche omu 30% sene nso ma me bia mo se promotion na bronya achedi e sha se 16 December ya kozi 21st December na ebeko so e wo Bo Herbal branches edidi so Kaswa official town Obenjedi restaurant Nkransa award seman edrakwan so Kumase obehunu wo Adwato adumanu Sunyane owo Zinko on immigration center ne de enumhwe Tetiman Obenkente Royal House open chemu abro mi de so a obetimi afọ Bo Herbal number si so 0549161508 ni 0550191514 afi 0549385619 Obo Herbal and Medical Research Center Abibidro Kasa.
December to remember. Masidani Masidani. We annual Thanksgiving Liberty Conference. O mahini ya wedu watch. Ewiebri. Onyame namne so eye anwodi nie bebre. Otun study fresh food for thought adihye nyina. Ene wumpa onyame namne nkyerɛkyerɛ so. Aye bibia ma wo se. We eye yasida etwato. Liberty Conference December die. Ebeye Fanta Bruta. Yasem aye kasa ho no. Ye free David enyom. Oha ene so. Echichemu ba. Ye nyina ye kuchire yasida. Ne dia koma ochiri ampom. Wamba se yadom. Ewo Jubilee Park. December bosome. Neda etoswa dionu ba. Eye memene da anopa no sia pepepepepe. Ya jonto nie. Ya maame Esther Nyameche. Moses Oki. Minister Kwaku Jesi. Mama Esther. Minister Kwame Jedu. The resident worshiper. Na sadam. Ye beyi wonyame aya. Mosresa ne abefia sasia. Me dofo. Wuti fie ye de. Liberty Conference. When the chatwo ewo afie yi mu. Na hye. Onyame nam na ye Yesu. Wobechi wo bronsa. Wobebro no. Amane de nkukuni ne nkaka. Akotena da braka. Wobetena wontumi ntua ne ka. Edeni akyere mu otutu ka. Na onyame oye ye kachiafo no. Onam sa akwanya iso. Betia ye ho akanyina. Na hyene so say we ye communion wine. Any breaking of bread. Direction. Liberty Conference December edition. Oh glory. Hallelujah.
TV, Emma Akitiapa.
I was here to one so now Global Brigade Ghana, no so ya Mekoba Kwa, and Shaba Sena Swafa to also said that Yanata Obaya Daya Ade Ama Adesie, and nay a brassebu, Kwamanka say, about 1 person so on 50 man tem, one now one more year, ya Yamebachra and in Krobinuma Kaka home, one more year ensured Yama one more year, Chidacrano. Wama de computers ne nneoma wodo aboa ma de suane ade kire to mekoso no akwama schools ahodo a ewo sampesua no so aka wo bi ama okofo gyasi atala ya woto so enso ohene ye owo nyame be kire na na de ato dwa kire se de wo ma ye na so na ne yie pa ye obesere se ankrankran so enhia bi enka ho
ebra wonya amogbe yi ne ya set ho committee wo wadada a o kire wo nshi na wo bohwado nti obi a obeba betene nshi ho omen ye ina ya tenase ye hura ebenye obi papa obaba betene ho a ori mbuda we ya kwans nti me fam da mamba mo da akota ade amma kire me mahia atase ye hura kwans ni hu ye amansi nti ye wo committee a wo butu ho na mo wa hwe ma nsi bibia akodo pepepera ori nse nsi ho wo bra ye nyiska ye de be ye nge nti dem committee ni de ya setting da dada asa na nne wo bubu nsi ani na se ye de ma ho whether why am I
was your worry. I wakofo jesi atala ye otoso so na nwachiri no ana wakaka ben ando ye otoso du oman no ye wakwa mankese traditional area one so de kakra eto so
enkupo nhyira the community kakra ba o today na wetum there obabo modna wa ma he ya lift or in education dem computers ye oda ba cheni ka Ghana ban na ka oda oye nina yenyim na ye kofefe na ati ye di nase a onyi kabe ade be choko ketesu mo brigade na parents if the media wo ye mahe ya computer 15 onye ska gakraba assessors kan ni nyina na chi ye parent association or teacher association bisha ye nyu akasa
our executive director de Global Brigade Ghana Alhaji Safiu Shaibu Onoso Kasai.
Global Brigade, we focus on helping deprived communities, and Central Region is one of our selected regions. And in the Central Region, we selected 3 districts, AAK, Ekumfi, and some parts of Mfansima. For us, what we need is just the conducive environment. Once the environment is good, the road network is good, we'll be able to go to places and support people. So nationally, that's what we would need, and then the support of the community people and then the district assemblies. Once they support us to have access to the places and the other service provided like Ghana Water and then community water, but when we are providing water to communities, we need the support of those institutions. So
I was already executive director of the Global Brigade Ghana, Alhaji Safiu Shaibu.
Abzanfo yemfamo nkwa pomdine mo na okokonfa no chiaban ya sabia wo mo atena ye ba ko efe ne se ear nose and throat o mu twanitia efe ne se ENT eheja omotete anesefo ne apomdi adwumayefo e konfa no chiaban ya sabia wonum training school honum no ba pani oda no ana ode afutu ema eye omo a wonum aba begentiti ba bonten aba be yadwuma se omo apia bonten aba be yadwuma be sumo man no omo mfa nhyehyɛ ne adwuma no mra enya adwuma se ne yese na efata
yebenya bi computers skills lab no so yenya mannequins any niama ENT chair ENT instrument diagnostic set yebetimi bi aboa ama omo dey demonstrate ye niama ye church omo na ye ba library so a eno obi anim say electronic library aba enunti SSA school no yetimi ekosa impempen so no nti eno nso yebehia moa say ye the computer ni bi ko library hono ye de bi nso ko computer library no na etumi eboa adisima offices no nso ayedan mu no yebehia office chairs any tables any acadia the interactive board ebeboa ma teacher for no etumi atre ade ebe ma wo mo no say ya tro mo ni ama bebre efa se dia wo behwe ɔyarefo a waba a ɔwɔ aso hene ne mmirimu ɛha obi a nyɛ no nko nipadua kwae ne bi ka ho mɛsrɛ wɔn sɛ ɔmode atumu akyɛ commitment self-discipline na ɔmotumi de ahyɛ ɔmo ayarefo ɛnɛ yɛfrɛ biribi emotional intelligence sɛ wobɛdwen afoforɔ ho na wama afoforɔ ho ahia wo ɔmo mfa saa ne esu no nkɔnkɔ yɛ adwuma na ɔmo mpagya ENT ayarehwɛ ɛma ayarefo ɛno nti saa na mɛka akyerɛ
Abzanfo nti we ye eye konfono chaban ya sabia ne yeko ye wono atena ya wo mo eteti apomdi adwumayefo mo ba bonte ba be ye adwuma oba pani a woda no na na ode afutu ma omo a wo mo eja wo mo kwan ama ba be ye adwuma no